Welcome to mathematics class, transformation of axis part 3. అక్ష పరివర్తనం part 3 కి స్వాగతం. So far we have learnt the different types of transformation of axis, translation of axis, సమాంతర అక్ష పరివర్తనం, rotation of axis, భ్రమణ అక్ష పరివర్తనం, and we did some problems based on this. So the relation between old coordinates and new coordinates in the case of translation of axis, x is equal to x plus h plus x dash and y is equal to k plus y dash. And the relation between old x and new x, y, old coordinates and new coordinates in the case of rotation of axis. So it can be very easily remembered by using this box, and we did problems based on this also and derived the relationship, and we practiced some problem rotation of axis, some more problems. When the axes are rotated through an angle alpha, find the transformed equation of x cos alpha plus y sin alpha. Here భ్రమణ పరివర్తనంలో ఆల్ఫా కోణంలో అక్షాలను భ్రమణం చేస్తే x cos alpha y sin alpha is equal to p యొక్క రూపాంతర సమీకరణాన్ని కనుక్కోవాలి. So now this is the given equation. X cos alpha y sin alpha is equal. Find the transformed. Find the changed new equation. That is, the given equation is original old one. Let us name it as 1. And by using the box, you can easily write the relation between x and y. So this x dash y dash represents new, xy old, cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. Now the given equation is original old one. So this xy represents old xy. In place of x cos theta minus y sin theta. So x is equal to x new x cos theta minus y sin theta. Here the angle is alpha. So now substituting, this becomes x cos alpha y, and I am generalizing x dash y dash as xy. So this is the x value. Similarly, y from the table, y value is equal to x sin theta y cos theta. X sin theta plus y cos theta, and replacing theta with alpha here in this the angle is alpha. So y value is equal to x sine alpha and y cos alpha. I am generalizing x dash as x, y dash as y. And substituting these x and y values in the given equation. Substituting this x and y values in the given equation. So let us name it as 2, 3. Let us name it 2 and 3. Substituting Substituting 2 and 3 in equation 1, we get the equation of transformed equation. So the given equation is x cos alpha. In place of x, you write x cos alpha minus y sin alpha into cos alpha, and y sin alpha. In place of y, x sin alpha plus y cos alpha into sin alpha is equal to p. So x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p is the given equation. I am substituting x value and y value and simplifying, we get the required equation. So cos alpha into x cos alpha, x cos square alpha, y sin alpha into cos alpha minus y sin alpha cos alpha, and multiplying with sin alpha, x sin alpha into sin alpha, x sin alpha x square, x sin square alpha, and y cos alpha sin alpha, y sin alpha cos alpha is equal to p. So minus y sin alpha cos alpha plus y sin alpha cos alpha will get cancel. X cos square alpha plus x sin square alpha, and taking x common. So this is cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is equal to p. So since cos square plus sin square is equal to 1 from trigonometry, cos square or sin square, cos square plus sin square or sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. So therefore, the required equation is x is equal to p, is the required equation, x is equal to p. So now let us take up one more problem. Very simple, only you have to substitute the x and y values from the by using this table. Find the transformed equation. So find the new equation, that means the given equation is old, original, that is old means xy, transformed new means x dash y dash. So according to the given equation, you have to substitute the xy values. So here the x and y are old, so you have to substitute x value and y value. So then simplifying, we will get the answer. Next, let us take up axes are rotated through an angle pi by 4. Find the transformed equation. Find new equation. అంటే ఇచ్చింది ఒరిజినల్. Find the transformed. So given equation 3x square 10xy plus 3y square is equal to 9. Find transformed, find new equation. So the given equation is old one. So from the table, you can find x cos theta minus sin theta and y sin theta cos theta. So now the given xy are old. So x value is equal to x dash cos theta and y dash minus sin theta, that is minus y dash sin theta. So substitute theta is equal to pi by 4, that is 45 degrees. 45 degrees. Substituting theta 45 and generalizing x dash as x cos 45 minus y sin 45. Since cos 45 and sin 45 both are is equal to 1 by root 2. So this becomes x by root 2 minus y by root 2, that is taking LCM, x minus y by root 2. So let us name it the given equation as 1. This is x value x minus y by root 2 and y value y is equal to, now from the table, y value x dash sin theta, x dash sin theta and plus y dash cos theta, plus y dash cos theta, theta 45 degrees, and substituting the value and generalizing, this is sin 45 plus cos 45. So this is nothing but x by root 2 y by root 2. So x plus y by root 2. This is y value. X value and y value. Substitute in the given equation, we get the transformed required equation of the curve. Now, by substituting 2 and 3, that is x and y values in equation 1, we get the required transformed equation. x y స్థానాలలో వీటిని ప్రతిక్షేపిస్తే మనకు కావాల్సిన ఈక్వేషన్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్డ్ రూపాంతర సమీకరణం వస్తుంది. 3x స్క్వేర్ అని ఉంది. సో 3 in place of x, x minus y by root 2 square and plus 10xy. 10 x value y, x plus y by root 2 plus 3y square, x plus y by root 2 square is equal to 9. This is the given equation, and we are substituting the x and y values and simplify. So now, by using a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab b square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, root 2 square is 2, 10, this is a minus b, a plus b, x minus y into x plus y is a square minus b square formula. This is x square minus y square by root 2 square, root 2 into root 2, 2. Again, this is a plus b whole square, x square plus 2xy and y square, root 2 square is 2. So, in all the terms, denominator is 2. I am multiplying each term by using 2. అన్ని పదాలను 2తో గుణించగా ఈ డినామినేటర్ లో ఉన్న 2 will get cancel, and I am multiplying 3 into inside bracket 3 into x square. So 3 into 2xy 6xy and 3 into y square, 10 into x square, 10 into y square, 3 into x square, 3 into 2xy and 3y square is equal to 2 into 9, 2 9 ja 18. I am multiplying with 2. అన్ని పదాలను 2తో గుణించగా. So now, simplifying all the terms, minus 6xy and plus 6xy will get cancelled. 3x square, 10x square, 13 plus 3, 16, 16x square. And 3y square, 3y square, 6y square minus 10y square minus 4y square is equal to 18. Dividing by 2 all the terms, we get 8x square, 2y square is equal to 9. This is the required transformed equation of the given curve. ఇది రూపాంతర సమీకరణం. So only the thing, you have to substitute the suitable x and y values according to the given equation. If the given equation is original, you have to substitute x and y values. If the given equation is transformed, that is new changed equation, you have to substitute the x dash y dash values by using the table, and simplifying you will get the required answer. Now let us take up one more problem. By translation of axis so as to remove the first degree terms from the equation, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. This is the general equation. Ax square 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. ఈ సమీకరణంలో ఫస్ట్ డిగ్రీ టర్మ్స్ ఎలిమినేట్ చేయడానికి మూల బిందువును ఎక్కడికి మార్చాలి? The point to which the origin is to be shifted. మూల బిందువును ఎక్కడికి మార్చడం వల్ల ఈ సమీకరణంలో మొదటి తరగతి పదాలు అంటే x పదము y పదము తొలగించబడతాయి. అంటే మూల బిందువు hf minus bg by ab minus h square gh minus af by ab minus h square. ఈ బిందువుకు మూల బిందువును మార్చితే, సో చేంజ్ ఆఫ్ యాక్సిస్, ఆ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్డ్ ఈక్వేషన్లో రూపాంతర సమీకరణంలో మొదటి తరగతి పదాలు తొలగించబడతాయి. So the point to which the origin is to be shifted by the translation of axis so as to remove the first degree terms from the equation. ఇక్కడ ax square by square 2gx 2fyc ఉంది. xy టర్మ్ లేదు. xy టర్మ్ ఈక్వేషన్ లో ఉంటే ఇది మూల బిందువుకు మార్చడానికి ఫార్ములా. ఒకవేళ ఈక్వేషన్ లో xy టర్మ్ కనుక లేకపోతే అప్పుడు మైనస్ g by a minus f by b అవుతుంది. సో by using this formula we can find the point to which the origin is to be shifted so as to remove the first degree terms from the given equation. And the point where the origin is to be shifted so as to remove the first degree terms from the equation. So without transforming, we can find the origin to be shifted so as to remove first degree terms. అంటే x ఫస్ట్ డిగ్రీ అంటే ఏంది? ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ అంటే సెకండ్ డిగ్రీ, వై స్క్వేర్ సెకండ్ డిగ్రీ, ఎక్స్ వై పదాలు ఫస్ట్ డిగ్రీ. మనము చేంజ్ చేసిన ఈక్వేషన్లో ఎక్స్ వై టర్మ్స్ అనేటివి తొలగించబడాలి అంటే మూల బిందువును ఎక్కడికి మార్చాలి? So now the given equation 4x square 9y square 8x 36y 4 is equal to 0. Comparing this with the general form ax square by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c, comparing with this general equation. So remember, there is no xy term. So here a value is 4, b value is 9 and 2g value is minus 8. 2f value is 36. So g value by dividing with 2 minus 4. So f value 36 by 2 is 18. Now the point to be shifted, the point where the origin is to be shifted, the point origin to be shifted, origin to be shifted is minus g by a minus f by b, minus g by a minus f by b. So this is the formula and you have to substitute in this g, a, f, b values. You will get the required point. Minus g value minus 4 by a value is 4 and minus f value 18, b value is 9. So minus minus plus 4 by 4 is 1, 9 2 minus 2. So therefore the point is minus 1 comma minus 2 where the origin is to be shifted. మూల బిందువును ఎక్కడికి మార్చడం వల్ల మనకు ఇచ్చినటువంటి సమీకరణంలో మొదటి తరగతి పదాలు తొలగించబడతాయి అంటే 1 కామా మైనస్ 2 అనే బిందువుకు మూల బిందువును మార్చడం వల్ల ఇచ్చినటువంటి సమీకరణంలో మొదటి తరగతి పదాలు తొలగించబడతాయి. ఇఫ్ యు చేంజ్ ద ఆరిజిన్, ఇఫ్ యు షిఫ్ట్ ద ఆరిజిన్ టు దిస్ పాయింట్ 1 comma minus 2, then the transformed equation should be free from first degree terms. So in the transformed equation, to eliminate first degree terms, the origin is to be shifted to 1 comma minus 2. ఈ 1 comma minus 2 అనే బిందువుకు ఆరిజిన్ ను షిఫ్ట్ చేయడం వల్ల ఈ ఇచ్చినటువంటి ఈక్వేషన్ లో ఫస్ట్ డిగ్రీ టర్మ్స్ ఎలిమినేట్ అవుతాయి. సో వెరీ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ ప్రాబ్లం. నౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ ద టైమ్ టు టేక్ అసైన్మెంట్. Once again, I am reminding you, all these videos are readily available in YouTube. Those who are missing and those who want to watch them as many times as you can watch it and prepare your own notes and solve the assignment problems. So all these things are very easy for you. The practice makes perfect. So it depends on your practice. When the origin is shifted to minus 2 minus 3 and the axes are rotated through an angle 45, find the transformed equation of this. So this is the third type. So simultaneously you can change the axis, translation and rotation will take place. So all these problems are worked out examples in your textbook. You can practice it. Find the point to which the origin is to be shifted by the translation of axis so as to remove the first degree terms from the equation. These two are worked out problems in the textbook. You can practice them. Thank you. Thank you for watching. The time is running out. So do practice the homework.